Hi everyone, welcome to Cinema Space 4K. Yesterday I bought a new clock, that is Ajanta OLC-302. In this video, let us unbox and review this product. As you can see, the MRP is written as Rs 1450, but if you order online, you can get it as cheap as Rs 1100. Now without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. This is the main product. There's also a user manual which I will show you in the later part of the video. Now let's just take a look at the main product, the Ajanta OLC-302. This is a digital clock, and as you can see, I ordered the red version, but this clock is available in other colors like white, green and blue. And here's the power cord. This cord is around 1.5 meters in length, but I think a clock needs at least 3 meters of wire because we don't place wall clocks near our table. The hour, minute and second displays are 1 inch and the other displays are 0.8 inch. On the back side you can see some ventilation holes and 4 buttons for setup, reset, out and up. And there's also a small hole for hanging. Let me take out the battery of this clock. The two batteries are AAA type and they are made by Urua. And this is how the clock looks when attached to the wall and turned on. Do remember that the clock will not display time when the power is gone. The batteries are only for the time to be synced while not connected. So that's our review. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.